अच्छा, मैं जब सोहेल से बात कर रहा था तो
Amazing thing is one day we were watching cricket, me and my father, और बहुत धूप चल रही थी, सबके पसीने से टपक रहे थे. तो he says, देखो मेरी बात सुन ली होती तो आज तुम यहाँ पे खेल रहे होते. Because as a child he wanted me to play cricket. So Mr. Salim Durrani used to come to coach me. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार ये सालों साल यही करना पड़ेगा, इसमें बहुत मेहनत है. So when my dad used to come to watch me, I started playing really badly. And that got stuck. I thought कि हाँ अच्छा खेलूँगा, चौके वौके मारूँगा, play really well. तो he's going to encourage me into this field. ऐसे जितना सीखना था मुझे, उतना मैंने सीख लिया है. क्रिकेटर नहीं बनना मुझे कहीं और जाना है. So I moved out. तो अब वो एक पहले का प्रिंसिपल जो हुआ करता था कि you've got to be a master one, jack of all was nothing. टुडे ये है कि स्पेशली हमारी लाइन के अंदर यू नीड टू बी जैक ऑफ ऑल. फिर बाद में टेक्निकल लोग आके उसको बढ़ावा देते हैं. एंड यू लुक लाइक द मास्टर.
absolutely, but I mean you are the master. You've mastered a lot of different things in life.
People around me have mastered me to take my level to a different level altogether.
मैं सोहेल से बात कर रहा था तो I was asking when you guys used to play as children, do you remember the first match that you were taken to? The first professional match maybe your dad took you guys to?
First match that I was taken to was in Brabourne Stadium, and Philip Uncle, he used to be a neighbor. He took me for a match. He used to be a big cricket fan and alcoholic, and he died of alcohol. And a long time ago, he used to be a shippy, and he took me. I wonder how my parents let me go with him.
You went alone with Philip Uncle?
Yeah. And I was sitting right behind, so they could see like really small figures running around this big stadium. I was like, यार ये, and then when TV came, I said, यार ये TV का अच्छा है, high speed में भी देख लो, repeat भी देख लो, energy of coming to a stadium is a different level.
The amount of good energy that happens over here is unbelievable.
Real cricket with celebrities is the best combination ever, and CCL is going to take it to a different level only altogether, because एक तो celebrities हैं और from each industry they're really popular celebrities who are playing. एक तो वो fan following, and they're not playing some idiotic amateurish cricket. They're playing serious cricket. So throughout the year, all these boys, even though they're working, the sport, the cardio they're doing is they're only playing cricket. Our boys as well as all the boys. You can see the level from the first season to now.
Absolutely.
It's improved.
In fact, I was talking to these boys. It's 7 o'clock training every single day for over a month with their given schedules, which are busy. That's quite a lot of love and dedication.
Shooting पे नहीं जाता कोई 7 बजे. क्रिकेट खेलने चला. जैसे ना कि पार्टी में कभी लेट मत हो, शूटिंग में लेट होता ठीक हो जाता. So out here it's a big party. They love it. Everyone, जितने भी बचपन की ख्वाहिशें थी वो सब अब यहाँ पर पूरी हो रही हैं. कि हमको टेस्ट खेलना था, हमको स्कूल से खेलना था, हमको कॉलेज से खेलना था, रणजी से खेलना था. तो अब सब यहाँ पर सब क्या. So now they've got that zest and they want to do it, and it's a good feeling to be together and play this sport.
It's amazing. They have a WhatsApp group apparently where it's 4 hours of conversations happened only on how to crack and win the game. और 2-3 जोक भी आ जाते हैं बीच में.
They're like totally and more than us, these South boys. They're playing. हम लोग तो 1-1.5 महीने 2 महीने से शुरू हो जाते हैं, because everyone out here is like really busy. वहाँ पर तो वो लंच ब्रेक में भी शाम को भी वहाँ पे चलते रहता है उनका क्रिकेट. So they're practicing all the time, these boys.
Salman, one last question is that, okay, your dad wanted you to be the cricketer. If you were not an actor, what do you think you would most have enjoyed? Something you'd be as happy doing in life?
Something to do with the film industry only. I wanted to be a director, so I guess, a director would be the most enjoyable thing after acting. But now I'm enjoying acting so much that direction is on hold for the longest time.
Thank you so much for talking with us and speaking with us. Thank you very much, Salman Khan. Over to the wonderful match, and let's see how that goes.
शुक्रिया साइरस जी. आप